Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super useful topic: how to view or find your saved passwords on your Android device in 2025. Whether you've forgotten a login for your favorite app or just want to manage your passwords more effectively, this step-by-step guide will have you sorted in no time. It's quick, secure, and perfect for keeping your digital life organized. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure your Android device is updated to the latest version, Android 16 or whatever's current in 2025, for the smoothest experience. Start by opening the Settings app, which you can find on your home screen or in the app drawer. It's that gear icon you've probably seen a million times. Once you're in Settings, scroll down and tap on Google or Accounts. This section handles all your Google-related features, which is where your passwords are stored. Next, select Manage your Google account to access your personal settings. Now, head over to the Security tab. It's all about keeping your info safe, so look for options like Passwords and Authentication. Scroll until you find Password Manager. This is the goldmine for your saved logins. Tap on it, and you might need to verify your identity. In 2025, this could involve a quick fingerprint scan, face recognition, or even a PIN for extra security. Inside Password Manager, you'll see a list of all your saved passwords. Tap on any entry to view the details, but remember, you'll likely have to authenticate again to see the actual password. It's a great feature, but always handle this info with care to avoid any risks. And there you have it. That's how you easily access your saved passwords on Android in 2025. This method keeps things secure and user-friendly, but I recommend using a Password Manager app for even better protection. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.